MagiCAD help create better buildings. MagiCAD Group, a Finnish full-service software company for MEP professionals, joined Glöden in 2014. We are the forerunners of digitalization, committed to helping engineering and manufacturing companies create better buildings. MagiCAD provides comprehensive software solutions and services for MEP design, construction, and manufacturers, enabling efficient and precise beam modeling. Discover how MagiCAD can revolutionize your MEP design process. Our products enhance beam modeling and collaboration, doubling design speed and saving up to 30% of total project time. Let's explore key features that dramatically improve beam modeling and collaboration efficiency. Stay ahead with MagiCAD's innovative tools. The Provision for Builder's Work tool is the way of automatically producing the builder's work holes for MEP objects. You can set the criteria of your offsets from MEP objects. MagiCAD will create provisions based on the architectural and structural elements, especially when you work with linked models. As you see, provisions are the same as you wish, even combined provisions. You can also update these provisions if there are some changes. We also offer a free add-in called Manage Openings, designed for architectural and structural engineers, enabling them to create real openings with a single click. The Clash Checking tool is an easy way to prevent clashes in your model. You can select what you want to clash with or against. Set your clearance zones for hard and soft clashes. When you press OK, you can get the dialog of Clash Report. What you can do here is creating a 3D view and zoom in to any of clashes, exporting Clash Report with different formats, and updating clashes after fixing. The Clearance Analysis tool is another tool for coordinating in your model. When you run the clearance analysis, it will determine the height of lowest MEP elements in your models, annotate in the space tag. You can get the minimum height of the lowest MEP elements within a report, where you can zoom in to each space to review. As you can see, we have single crossing and multi-crossing functions, which you can create automatic crossing with a single click. When you run the crossing function, it can get elevation data from the reference element directly, even if it is in the linked model. You can also switch between different standard angles, solution, or reserve tolerance when creating crossing. Within MagiCAD supports and hangers modules, you can select various types from both of generic and manufacturer databases, and easily install support and hanger instance by one click. Support and hanger instances can be attached to the host element automatically, and also can be updated if there are some changes. You can also design integrated support and hanger by using standard subparts, no matter how complex the scenario is. Discover handy functions tailored for MEP professionals. MagiCAD is your go-to solution for precise and efficient design. With MagiCAD's sizing tool, you can select different sizing methods, even define the maximum value for duct width or height. MagiCAD can calculate duct size or pipe size according to the project requirement, and update the model automatically. Benefits from MagiCAD built-in pressure curve: you can get hydraulic calculation result by using balancing function. You can choose products from real manufacturers, or modify generic products with MagiCAD Create. Even inject curve into your in-house Revit families. Explore the full suite of MagiCAD products: common, ventilation, piping, electrical, supports and hangers modules, MagiCAD Cloud, and MagiCAD Create for beam component libraries. Let's witness the power of MagiCAD in action with a project example from Helsinki Central Library, Uudi, Finland.
Ramboll is a leading international engineering, design and consultancy company.
Olen tällä hetkellä johtava asiantuntija LV-tekniikan osalta ja tätä ennen mä toimin 3 vuotta projektinjohtajana. Tehtävänäni oli suurten LV-suunnitteluprojektien läpivieminen.
The frame of the Audi building is supported by 2 steel arcs of over 100 meters. This unique steel bridge structure enables structural movements which had to be taken into account into the ventilation and piping design. The building services design makes clever use of the hidden space created by the architecture. In order to highlight its open design, the third floor was kept clean of any visible MEP technology. All MEP systems have been cleverly installed in the raised space between the second and the third floors and in the second floor ceiling.
No, tällaisessa suuressa hankkeessa ja monimutkaisessa hankkeessa niin se suunnittelu olisi ollut käytännössä mahdotonta tai ainakin poikkeuksellisen vaikeaa ilman MagiCADin ja mallintavan suunnittelun käyttöä. Että kyllä niin mallin käyttäminen kaikkien niiden arkkitehti- ja rakenneratkaisujen havainnollistamisessa niin se oli ihan must. Se hankkeen toteuttaminen, niin siellä olisi tullut paljon yllätyksiä rakennusvaiheessa, jos niitä ei olisi voitu tutkia niitä asioita hyvin suunnitteluvaiheessa mallin avulla. Tietomallisuunnittelu, jossa sitä käytettiin koko ajan hyödyksi ja sitä periaatteessa sen avulla pystyttiin poistamaan ne törmäilyt siten, että esimerkiksi työmaan aikana niin meidän LV-suunnittelijoita ei kutsuttu työmaalle kertaakaan sitä varten, että siellä on jotain risteilyjä tai törmäilyjä, että kanavat törmäisivät väärään rakenteeseen, vaan nämä kaikki törmäilyt ne löydettiin jo suunnitteluvaiheessa ja ne pystyttiin korjaamaan ja poistamaan sieltä MagiCADin ja tämmöisten tietomallisuunnittelun proseduurien kautta.